This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's Saturday, May 13th. It looks like there's something going on at the church. Unfortunately, Fatser is across the street, the gardener from Hayfley. So, wow, the bird haters, just a moss. Anyway, we're gonna let them get in our way. Okay, I got too much to do today. Of course, with Fatser there. Oh, Petey came. Petey was just there. With Fatser here, it could be Charlie won't come down. We'll see. Here, Petey. Bad people there. Let's eat here. Here, Petey. There you go. More Petey friends. There you go. All right. What do you think? You think Charlie's going to come down?
With all this activity, no. Too much activity, cars and people, this and that. It's too much.
Well, no, that doesn't bother him. The cars don't bother him. Certain people bother him.
Cats are my
so
problem.
that's a problem. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Experiment.
That's what I'm going to do.
Disappointed he doesn't come.
Yeah. Ah, here he comes. Here he comes. Here's Charlie. Here, Charlie. Come here. Here, Charlie. Come here, honey. Come here. Here's your egg. Here's your egg. There you go. There you go, honey. There you go. Charlie, it's okay, baby. Get what you want, honey. Go ahead. It's all for you. Go ahead. Go ahead, baby. That's it. There you go. There you go, good boy. Okay. There he goes.
That was convenient, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. Well, I guess it didn't matter if Fatser was here. He needs to get his food for his birds, okay? And we got it here for Charlie. Leave that all there. Okay, now. Something going on in the church today.
Is that right?
Yeah. Did Charlie seem a bit nervous to you today?
I can't say that. I
No?
was shocked. I was shocked he came down the middle of all this.
Yeah, me too.
Totally shocked.
But he did.
It's all about the family.
Yeah.
It's all about his family.
Today I have to buy chicken and I got to cook it up for Charlie.
All right.
Yeah. All right. Let's get this show on the road. We were just talking about Charlie probably wouldn't come, but it's supposed to rain today. It's cool. Someone's screaming back there. So anyway, looks like Fatser has a lot of friends this morning. Normally he's just goes about doing his work, but today has a different schedule. So let's take our little path here. Signs are still up. You see that? Bryant found something interesting on the federal website. This is mine. Put this away. A little piece of paper from the anyway, I swore I saw someone behind me filming me, but I guess it was my imagination. Oh. Yeah, so anyway, Charlie did come down. Of course, he took his sausage. There's Seymour. You hear Seymour? Here's our little crows amassing. Okay, now let's go away from the shopping center. Let's go away from the shopping center and let's go in here. This is also a good spot. Okay. Put our nuts out. Let's put our nuts out maybe over here. There we go. Let's separate them here. As long as we have these signs up, we're going to have people coming after us today. So there's someone on a bicycle filming us, but you see, this is just, maybe he's fixing his bicycle only. We don't know. Okay, let's put this down here, and we'll put the other food down here. Wow. It's just a little bit crazy here today. All right, let's dump this out here. There we go. Now we have the guy reading the sign. Did you see that, YouTubers? He tossed the sign down. Did you see that? I think I'll walk around this way. He pushed the sign down. How do you like that? I think he knows that the focal group is over, or he just did it because he knows it's ridiculous and idiotic. Maybe he likes the birds and finds the whole thing idiotic. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome gesture. I'm not used to it. It's pretty neat. So this time I didn't do it. But oh, I frightened them throwing this food out here. Okay, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that. Let them get their food there. But you see, it's a nice hidden spot. No one can see them there. Yeah. Just want to make a general comment. People who post things to my YouTube channel, if it's not constructive criticism, I have no problem with that. And I've answered commentaries on some sort of criticism or question or something that I've had to answer the best way that I could. But don't get nasty or write things that are condescending and actually insults. Don't do that. I don't know if he's a subscriber or just a person leaving a commentary. He calls himself Der Raucher, the smoker. And he writes, "Are you mentally ill?" Don't do that. Of course I'm not mentally ill. Question is, are you mentally ill? I don't know you, so I can't really say that. And you don't know me, and you can't say something like that. Because I feed starving birds, because I go against the system, that makes me mentally ill? Hello. And you call yourself the smoker? Yeah. I'm just going to leave it at that. But when you leave comments like that, and I check my comments 3 or 4 times a day, I will just erase them, and that's it. Okay? They're not worth for anyone else to see or for me. Okay? If you don't like birds, leave your complaints. Go to the police and leave your complaints. The birds are pooing on my car, or they're pooing on my building, or I don't like the way they sound. Whatever your complaint may be, don't come to me. This YouTube channel, Crow Crusader, is in support of birds. People who subscribe love birds, and I don't want anyone on my channel who doesn't like birds. We are a community, and we hold together.